Some of you might have been thinking about, all right, we've been doing pretty well finding solutions to these equations. Is there always going to be a solution? Well, I have a couple of examples of where you might see something that doesn't have a solution, or the solution is unique. So let's look at my first one I wrote, x equals x plus 4. Well, can you see right now that you can't solve it for x. Well, you can't think of any x that makes that true. So in this particular case, whatever value of x I get will produce something that has no solution. So you will see some equations where your solution set is no solution. And it sometimes might be written like that as an empty set. Another way to look at that, if you were going to continue to solving this one, this might be another way to explain it. Well, let's subtract x from both sides and see what happens. So I have x minus an x equals an x minus an x plus a 4, because that's our goal, is to isolate the variable. On the left side, I have a 0. On the right side, I just have a 4. I reduced. Did I make a mistake? No, no mistake. You got to a statement that's a false statement. 0 does not equal 4. So if you get to something like that, that's a clue or an indicator that your original equation has no solution. So don't keep looking for one. No solution at all. Well, what about this one right here? What's going on with this one? Well, let's kind of simplify it out and kind of see what we see. X plus 3 then. On the right side, I have an x plus a 3. Maybe I want to subtract 3 from both sides. I have x equaling an x. I don't know what that means. What that means is you're going to get, sometimes as you work through it, you're going to get a statement that's true. What does that mean? It means that any value in your original equation will make that statement true. It's called an identity. So this is true, or the solution set for this one is what sometimes we write as all real numbers. All values of x make this true. So sometimes you're going to find solutions to linear equations that are inconsistent, no solutions. Sometimes you'll find one with one solution that we've already been working on. And sometimes you're going to find some with an infinite amount of solutions.